Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna talk about a one of the greatest finance app. It's YNAB. Like if you have a lot of bills, you want to save money. So this is one of the greatest budgeting app you can say in a across the world. So let me talk about like what is this all about. Let me tell you. So this is the feature like you can connect to your bank. You can it's one of the biggest budgeting app you can say. Like for every dollar you save, saving money is it's one of the greatest risk for everyone. You can sign up for free, make money plans, and enjoy less stress. You don't have to worry about your money where it goes. So it's like a saving account, you can say, for every person, who wants to, save money. And you can check out your bills, mortgage, electric, groceries. And let me show you the features, for this. You can start a free trial as a wealth building tool, you can say. So the one of the biggest advantages is that it's aid free, it's a bank, great security, it's a world class support as well. You can even connect with your bank as well, like if you have any of the following banks. Okay. And you can even calculate like how much you saved. Here you have 34 days of the trial as well. You can even learn, like there are the free workshops as well, like how you can save. And you can even refer to your friends. There are some affiliate programs in it as well, like for the live workshops. You must attend and get the information to know, like how this app actually works. Okay. And if you want to refer to your friend, to you can get the advantage of it. Like you can have a free month of YNB budgeting app. And there are the YNB affiliate programs as well. You can even join by clicking that. First step is to apply, and you can share. And for every a referred person, you can get $6 for free trial for YNB. And can say commission structure resets monthly, so you can have a higher even commission as well. So it's the biggest chance. So if you want to go, you can apply. It's like it's just a side-based business income, for you. So there are like just a little requirement. You must be a blogger, a company broadcaster, or a social media content creator. And so yeah, this is only a little bit requirements, not that it's a big deal. So this is also available on the Google Play Store as well, so you can check out. So we can see the ratings as well. As a 4.7 ratings. I think people have a good impression on this app. So I think you should download this app. And if you're looking to save money for yourself. So it's all about like managing money, and you can even be a certified coach, and teach other people how to control the finance and pass it on. So many people wants to control their finance, definitely. But it's all about managing the money. It's very important. You can attend so I've given the link below, and you can check out the YNB tools software, so you can use it and enjoy saving money and have a good wealth. Thank you.